All right. So over here, as explained to you, we have adverb, reply après moi, and we have avoir verb. C'est clair? D'accord? Why? Être and avoir. C'est clair? So tell me, what is my adverb? Adverb that belongs to my ismr, which is my to be. Why? To be. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So now conjugate adverb, please, because these are the very important verbs. Because I'm just going to explain to you past tense. So in past tense, we have at and avoir is a very very important verb. So tell me, what is my adverb? Tell me. Mm-hmm.
Je suis,
Mm-hmm.
tu es,
Mm-hmm.
elle est,
Mm-hmm.
nous sommes,
Mhm.
vous êtes,
Mm-hmm.
elles sont.
Brilliant.
Very good. And tell me our verb. Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
j'ai,
Yeah.
tu, tu as,
Mm-hmm.
elle a,
Mm-hmm.
nous avons,
Mm-hmm.
vous avez,
Mm-hmm.
elles ont.
Exactement. Exactement. You know what? Our is to has have. One thing you have to understand. In order to, very important, in order to make the past conjugation, in order to make the past conjugation, it means like in English we have speak, spoke, the past indefinite tense in English. Past indefinite tense in English. C'est clair? Past tense. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
So, like speak, spoke, talk, talked. Why? So, what is the formula of past tense in French? Now, répétez après moi. The formula of, repeat after me. The formula of
The formula.
past tense in French, very important to understand. Very important. The formula of past tense, either, that's a rule. Now, for example, you have verb parler, Parler. Now, parler is my verb to speak. Claire, is it clear to you? Why?
Yes, sir.
Now, in English, we have speak, and in past, we have spoke. Claire, why? In English, we have talk. Claire, and the past, we have talked. Claire, is it clear to you?
Oui.
Why? Now, in French, I will give you a very clear picture now. In French, now for example, we have a parler, parler. Okay, so my pepe, pepe, we call it as pepe, like past participle. Now English we have pepe, we call it as pepe. Speak after me, pepe, pepe. We call it
Pepe.
as past participle, past participle. Say Claire. Past participle. So past participle is something like participasse. Répétez après moi. देखो, in English we have past participle. It means pepe. Répétez après moi. Because obviously speak, spoke, talk, talk. These are my past participle. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So in French we call as pepe. Pepe we call as past participle, that is
Participle.
participasse. Participasse. Say class. Tell me yes or no. So in French we have participasse of the verb. Now for example, very important to understand, like we have verb parler. Class. So the past participle of parler is if your verb is ending from er, so my past participle of parley is P-A-R-L-E, ague. This is my past participle. This is my pepe. Say Claire.
Oui.
Is it clear to you? Now, for
Yes, sir.
example, we have verb cuisine. Say Claire. Okay, year-ending verb cuisine.
Z.
So we have the pepe of cuisine is what? Cuisine, ague. Say Claire, E, A sign. Say Claire, tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Mhm.
clear to you, Summer?
Yes, sir.
Why? So basically, obviously, now in English we have, now for example, in English we have uh, good. We have good, better, best, you know. We have different pepe in English also. The same in French also we have different pepe according to the verb. C'est clair. Okay. Now for example we have, okay, let's take an example of English. We have walk. So we have walked. But if I see, we cannot say seed. Can you say seed?
No.
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 Can you say, we can say see, saw, say clair and seen. Is it clear to you? The same
Oui.
in French also we have different pepe. Say clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Mhm.
sir.
Now, for example, we have war. Répétez après moi. War. War. Have you done war verb? War is my verb to see. Have you done war verb? Why?
Mm,
War. Okay, I will explain to you now. I will explain to you.
yes, sir.
Now, war is my verb to see. Claire, Manpreet, and Summer.
Yes, sir.
Tell me
Mhm.
the present tense of war. Tell me.
Mhm.
So that is je vois.
What
Tu. Have you done
was
yesterday? Je vois, tu vois. Tell me yes and no. The present tense. Répétez après moi. Je vois.
Je,
Repeat after me. मेरे साथ बोलो मनप्रीत आप. And Summer.
je
War
vois.
is my verb to see.
Je vois.
So
Mhm.
the moment I will conjugate war verb, okay? The moment I will conjugate war verb, I will say je vois, tu
Je
vois,
vois. Je
elle
vois.
voit, nous
Elle
voyons,
voit.
nous voyons, vous
Voyons.
voyez. C'est clair. It is just we have to understand the present tense of these verbs and il wow VOIENT. C'est clair. But
Oui.
now repeat after me the present tense of voir verb is what? Répétez après moi. Je vois,
Je
Je
vois,
vois.
tu vois,
tu vois,
Tu
elle
vois.
voit,
elle va,
nous voyons,
nous voyons,
vous voyez, vous,
il, vous
Voyez.
voyez,
elle voit.
elle
Il,
va.
elle voit.
Wow. Now, the past of like participasse, pepe. I will call pepe. Say clair, pepe. Say clair, pepe. Because P we call it as pay in French. Pepe. The
Mhm.
participasse of war is view. Say clair.
Oui.
Now, par
Okay.
exemple, in English we have see and the pepe of see is saw. The same is war paper is view. Say Claire, tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why? Okay, now tell me. Okay, we'll do because today we'll cover up pepe. Today we'll cover up the pepe of the verbs. Say Claire, tell me yes or no. Now
Yes,
conjugate.
sir.
Now conjugate parley verb. Parler. Manpreet.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
because now we'll do the revision with the help of Pepe. Claire? Now, for example, nous avons le verb, we have a verb, parler. Now, parler is a verb to what? Speak. So, what
Speak.
do
Yeah.
you mean? Je parle. Say Claire. Why?
Tu parles.
Very good. Tu parles. Claire?
Il parle.
Elle parle. C'est très bien.
Nous parlons. Vous parlez.
C'est très bien. Nous parlons.
Elle parle.
C'est clair. You can do this. You can do this, right? Vous parlez. Elle
Yeah.
parle. Now, the verb is ending from er. Parler. My paper would be P-A-R-L-E. A
Ague.
sound. Ague. So this is my paper. Parler. To speak. Er. And P-A-R-L-E. Ague. Parler is my past participle. Parler spoke. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
This is my pepe of the verb. C'est clair. Because today I will explain to you pepe, how to create your pepe. Now, par exemple, vous avez le verb, you have a verb adorer. Adorer. You know, adorer is my verb to love. So what would be the pepe of adorer? Tell me. A-D-O-R-E, ague.
Ague.
C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Why? Why? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay.
Mhm.
Now I will give you some verbs because these verbs are very important to understand the language first. Now you have verb like aimer is to like. Répétez après moi. Aimer is to like.
Aimer.
Annuler is to cancel. Répétez après moi.
Annuler.
Annuler is to cancel. Now aimer is to like. For example, we have verb aimer. So what? How to make the present tense of aimer? What you will do? J'aime. C'est clair because we have a vowel. So j'aime. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Summer, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Why? You came to know why it is j'aime because we have je, am.
Je.
Mhm.
Now we have j'aime because we have a consonant and a vowel that you combine the sound,
Vowel.
combine the sound to am, and you can do like this, right? So aimer. Pepe is what? A-I-M-E, ague. C'est clair. This is my Pepe. The past participle. Participasse. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. What is
Yes,
the
Yeah.
participasse of annule? Tell me, Manpreet. The participasse of annule.
it's
Yeah.
A-double-N-U-L.
E, ague.
E-Ague.
C'est clair. What is the participasse of apporter? E,
A-double-P-O-R-T.
c'est clair.
Ague.
E,
E
ague.
H.
C'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So répétez après moi, attraper is to catch, apporter is to bring, c'est clair. Bavarder is to chat. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Casser is to break, chanter is to sing, and chercher is to search, is to look. Okay, why? Is it clear to
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So now if I ask you, conjugate casse verb. If I asked you, Mademoiselle Manpreet, a Monsieur Summer, conjugate
Yeah.
casse verb. Conjugate casse verb. How you will conjugate casse verb in present tense first? Tell me. How you will
Je
conjugate?
casse.
Very
Je
good.
casse. Mhm.
Je casse.
Tu
Okay.
casses.
Tu casse, c'est très bien.
Il,
Elle
elle, et
casse.
casse.
Elle
Nous
casse, c'est
cassons.
très bien. Nous cassons.
Vous cassez.
Vous cassez.
Very good.
Il,
And
elle, et
Il
casse.
elle casse.
elle casse, c'est très bien. D'accord? Now if I ask you, what would be the participe passé of casse? You will do what? E,
A dit.
AQ. C'est clair. Now you came to know. But obviously, évidemment, we have different you know, participe passé, like the same in English we have. Now, par exemple, nous avons le verbe savoir. Répétez après moi. Savoir. Savoir is my verb
savoir,
to know. Savoir is my verb to know. Répétez
no,
après moi. Comprendre. Répétez après moi.
comprendre,
Comprendre is my verb to understand. Have you done savoir verb yesterday? Tell me yes and
Yes,
no.
sir.
yes sir,
Why? So, what is this? Tell me the savoir verb. Tell me savoir verb. Mm-hmm. The
Yes,
present tense.
sir.
Tell me. Mm-hmm. The savoir verb
Uh,
present tense. Why? Uh-huh.
yes, sir.
Very
Tu
good.
sais,
Très bien. Je sais, tu sais, il, elle,
il
il,
sait,
elle,
nous
nous
savons,
savons,
vous
vous
savez,
vous
savez,
savez,
il, elle
il,
savent.
elle,
elle
savent,
savent.
C'est clair. But, now you have to understand. Pen down in a notepad. The savoir, pepe is su. The participe passé of savoir is su. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. It is very, very important. The pepe of savoir is su. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Very important.
the paper of savoir is you,
C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
oui,
Okay. Now, par exemple, you have a verb comprendre. You have a verb comprendre.
comprendre,
Répétez après moi. Comprendre. Comprendre is my verb to understand. C'est clair. Now, how to conjugate RE ending verb? Have you done the formula of RE ending verb? S
yes,
blank. Have you done this? Why?
yes sir,
Yeah.
Why? So tell me. Je comprends. Tu
je
comprends.
comprends, tu comprends,
Il,
elle comprend,
Elle,
nous comprenons.
nous comprenons,
Vous
vous
comprenez.
comprenez,
Vous comprenez. And il,
elle
elle
comprend,
comprennent. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Why? Now, what would be the pepe of comprendre? You will say compris. Now, this is the fact of the French language wherein you have to understand the pepe. Because you have to speak for the past. I understood what you will say. I will explain to you how to conjugate past verbs, but it is just today I'm going to explain to you what is the pepe, what is the participe passé of the verb. So répétez après moi. Voir. Okay, voir and savoir. C'est clair? We have a similarity of voir and voir. C'est clair? D'accord? So voir is my verb to see, which is my pepe is view. Savoir is my see. C'est clair? C'est clair?
oui,
Why? So comprendre pepe is compris, like you have learned in English. See, saw, seen. If I ask you why see, saw, seen, it's not see, seed, like walked, walked, talked. Why it's not see, seed? No, you will say no. See, saw, seen. The same in French also. You have to learn. Vous devez apprendre le PP. C'est clair. You have to learn the past participle. Participe passé. C'est clair. Repeat comprendre present tense and the PP. S'il vous plaît. Repeat it, please.
comprendre,
which one? Comp
paper is compris,
And
and we have to speak this one, also the conjugation,
yes, je comprends. Very good.
je comprends,
Dieu
tu comprends,
comprend.
elle comprend,
Mm-hmm.
nous comprenons,
Mm-hmm.
vous comprenez,
Mm-hmm.
elle comprend.
C'est clair. D'accord. Why? Is it clear to
Oui,
you? No.
Mm.
For example, because topic is very important, have to understand like we have verb être. Yeah. Now être is my verb to be. Clear? Être is my verb to be.
to be,
C'est clair? D'accord? Why? Être is my verb to be. Now, over here, être. Now tell me the present tense of être verb. You will say je suis, tu es, il,
Je
elle est,
suis.
nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. Clair. Obviously, what is the PP of be? Been. Have you done in English? Been. Be was been.
Yes.
Right? So the same way, the PP of être, répétez après moi. The PP of être is
Être.
était. Very important. The PP of être is E aigu,
Été.
été, been. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Now this is because we are doing over here participe passé. What is the participe passé of the verb, which is very, very important. C'est clair. Why? So être, répétez après moi, être. Être is to be.
Être.
So être PP is été. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Why?
It, yeah.
Have you done fair? Fair is my verb to do. Have you done fair verb? Why?
No.
Why? Fair verb.
Mm.
Have you done fair verb?
No.
Fair is my verb to do. Tell me. I will tell you. That's not a problem. Okay. Let's repeat after me. Okay. Répétez après moi. My fair is my verb to do. Fair.
Do.
Répétez après moi. Fair. So the moment I will conjugate fair verb, that is je fais. Répétez après moi. Tu fais.
Je fais. Tu fais.
Je fais. Tu fais.
Je fais. Tu fais.
Elle fait.
Elle
Il,
fait.
elle fait. Nous faisons.
Nous faisons.
Vous
Vous
faites.
faites.
Ils, elles font. C'est
Font.
clair. Tell me yes or no. Now,
Yes, sir.
répétez après moi. Faire is my verb to do. The moment I will conjugate fair verb, that is, je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why? Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now,
Yes, sir.
repeat after me, because these are the irregular verbs. So, you have to repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Faire is my verb to do. Faire is my verb
Is
to
verb
do.
to
Répétez
do.
après moi. Je fais. Répétez après moi.
Je fais.
Je fais. Tu fais. Tu
Tu
fais.
fais.
Tu fais, il,
Il, elle
Elle
fait. This is
fait.
how you have to do the, because obviously, évidemment, these are the important verbs. So, répétez après moi. Je fais. Tu fais.
Je fais. Tu fais.
Il,
Elle
elle
fait.
fait. Nous
Nous
faisons.
faisons.
Vous faites.
Vous faites.
Il,
Elles
elle.
font.
C'est clair. Now, the participe passé of fait is fait. F-A-I-T. The participe passé of my faire, the past participle, the participe passé. The participe passé of my faire is fait. C'est clair. Now, répétez après moi. Faire is my verb to do.
Do.
Après moi. Faire is my verb to do. Why? So, répétez après moi. The present tense of faire is what? Je fais, tu fais, il,
Je
elle
fais.
fait,
Tu fais. Elle fait.
nous faisons,
Nous faisons.
vous faites,
Vous faites.
ils, elles font.
Elles font.
And the participe passé of faire is fait. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Oui.
Why?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear to you? Why?
Yes, sir.
Now, we have a next verb, which is dire. Répétez après moi. Dire. Have you done dire verb yesterday? Dire is my verb to
No.
say and to tell. Dire is my verb to say and to tell. Have you done dire verb? Why? So répétez après moi. The present tense of dire is what? Je dis,
Je dis.
tu dis,
Tu dis.
il, elle dit. C'est clair, Summer? Summer,
Yes.
is it clear to you? Why?
Yeah.
Tu dis.
These are the irregularities of the verbs. Like you have to understand those verbs by heart. C'est clair. So now répétez après moi. Je dis, tu dis,
Je dis, tu dis,
elle dit,
il, elle dit,
vous dites,
nous disons, vous
vous,
dites,
vous dites. C'est clair.
vous dites,
And ils, elles disent.
il, elle dit.
C'est clair. Now répétez après moi. Dire conjugation. Répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. Je dis. Repeat
Je
after me s'il
dis,
vous plaît.
tu
Je
dis,
dis. Tu dis.
il, elle dit,
Very good, c'est très bien. Nous disons.
nous disons,
Mhm.
vous,
Vous,
Would.
vous dites. It is not vous
vous
Would.
disiez.
dites,
No.
Mhm.
That is vous dites. C'est
vous dites.
clair. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Why? Okay. So now répétez après moi. Je dis, tu dis, il,
Je dis,
elle
tu
dit.
dis,
Mhm.
il, elle
Nous
dit,
disons,
nous
vous
disons,
dites,
disons,
vous dites, and
vous
il,
dites,
elle disent. C'est clair.
il,
Now the
elle dit.
participacy of dir is the, D-I-T, the. C'est clair. The participacy of dir is the. C'est clair. Why?
Oui,
So these are the verbs. Now répétez après moi dir verb s'il vous plaît. Dir verb. Repeat it please. Mhm.
je dis, tu
Mhm.
dis,
Mhm.
il, elle dit, nous
Mhm.
disons,
Mhm.
vous dites, il,
Mhm.
elle dit.
C'est clair. D'accord. Why?
Oui,
Now we have a verb pouvoir. Have you done pouvoir verb? Is to can. Pouvoir. Why? So pouvoir is my verb to can. Is it clear to you, Manpreet and Summer? Pouvoir.
yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me what is my pouvoir verb? Je peux, tu peux, clair. Il, elle peut. This is my verb to can. So je peux is to I can. Pouvoir. Because these are the verb, mademoiselle and monsieur, you have to. You have to understand those verbs by heart. Because we do not have a conjugation formula of this verb. C'est clair. Now répétez après moi. Pouvoir is my verb to can. C'est clair. So now répétez après moi. Je peux, tu peux,
Je peux, tu
tu
peux,
peux,
il,
il,
elle
elle
peut,
peut, nous pouvons. C'est clair. Nous pouvons, vous pouvez,
vous,
and il, elle peuvent. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Répétez après
peuvent.
moi, s'il vous plaît. Very important verb. The very important verb. Repeat after me. Je peux. Repeat it, please. Je
Je
peux.
peux, tu
Tu peux.
peux,
Il,
il, elle
elle
peut,
peut. Nous pouvons.
Well,
nous
Nous
pouvons,
pouvons.
vous
Vous
pouvez,
pouvez.
il, elle
Il,
peut.
elle peuvent. C'est clair. Now repeat it, please. Je peux. Tu peux. Repeat it, please.
Je peux,
yeah,
tu
pas
peux,
tout,
il,
il,
elle
elle, pas.
peut,
Hmm?
Nous
nous
pouvons,
pouvons, vous
Hmm?
vous pouvez,
pouvez,
Il, elle
il,
peuvent.
elle, peut.
il, elle peut.
C'est clair. D'accord? Why? So, okay.
Oui.
Tell me, because that this verb also adding from war. So the verb what like for example that how you can learn with this. You have verb savoir is to know, clair. Your verb voir is to see, clair. So the pepe is converted into you,
Vous,
vous, su, clair. Pepe convert
yes,
into you, and over here we have you. C'est clair. The
you,
pepe, the past participle. C'est clair.
yes, sir.
C'est clair. D'accord.
Hmm.
Now répétez après
Yeah,
moi. Pouvoir, il me verb to can. So, je peux, tu peux. Repeat it, please. Very important. Repeat it.
yeah,
Mhm.
Je peux, tu peux, il,
tu
elle
peux,
peut,
elle,
nous pouvons, vous
Mhm.
pouvez, il, elle peut.
Mhm. Very good. C'est très bien. And the paper of pouvoir is pew. C'est clair.
Who, you,
Is it clear to you? D'accord.
yeah,
yes, sir.
Is it clear to Samar and Manpreet? Clear? Why?
Yes, sir.
Now we
Yes, sir.
have vulvar verb. We have vulvar verb. Clear? These verbs, these are the very important verbs. So répétez après moi. Je veux. Claire. Tu veux. Claire. Il, elle veut.
You
Claire. Nous voulons. Claire. Vous voulez. Claire. And il, elle veulent. Tell me yes or no. Répétez après moi. Je veux. Tu veux. Il, elle veut. Nous voulons. Vous voulez.
will,
Il,
you
elle
will,
veulent.
you
C'est clair.
will, il,
Tell me
elle will.
why. Okay. Now répétez après moi,
Yes,
s'il vous plaît. Repeat it, please. Repeat it, please, s'il vous plaît.
Je
Je
veux,
veux.
tu veux, il, elle veut, nous
Mhm.
voulons, vous voulez,
Mhm.
il, elle veut.
Il, elle, veulent. C'est clair. D'accord? Now, the past participle of my vulvar is voulu. Répétez après moi. The past participle of what is converted into view. C'est clair. So the past participle is converted into
You,
voulu. C'est clair. D'accord? Why? So
voulu,
répétez moi. Je veux, tu veux, il, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez,
nous voulons, vous
il,
voulez.
yes, il, elle veulent. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Why? So répétez après moi. Je peux, tu peux. Okay. Tell me pouvoir verb, please. Tell me. Manpreet, what is the pouvoir verb? Explain pouvoir verb, please. What is my pouvoir verb?
Pouvoir, it's to can and it's je peux, tu peux, il, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il, elle peuvent. And Pepe is a pew.
Very
P-U.
good. Now, Samar, explain vulvar verb.
It's Yavu,
Java.
Java,
Java.
Java, Tuva, Il, Elva, Nous voulons, vous voulez, Il, elle voulent.
Il, elle voile. Il, elle voile. Voile.
Il,
Voile.
elle voile.
C'est clair? D'accord?
Yeah.
Why? Okay. Now, we have a verb like devoir. Devoir is my verb to must. Obligation. Have to. Must. Répétez après moi. Devoir. C'est clair? So devoir is my verb to must. To must. Répétez après moi. Devoir. Devoir is my verb to must. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Devoir is my verb to must. So the moment I will conjugate devoir verb, that is je dois, tu dois. Répétez après moi. Je dois, tu dois, il, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, il, elle doit. C'est clair. Now, répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je dois. Répétez après moi. Je
dois.
Tu dois.
Tu dois.
Il, elle doit.
Elle doit.
Nous devons.
Nous devons.
Vous devez.
Vous devez.
Il, elle doivent. C'est clair. Tell me yes.
Yes.
So the participe passé of my devoir is due. Répétez après moi. Due. Due. Yes. So the pouvoir paper is pew. Répétez après moi. Pouvoir paper is pew. Okay, let me dub this first. Now you tell me. Pouvoir paper is pew. Pouvoir paper is voulu. C'est clair? What is my war paper? Tell me, what is the paper of war?
View.
Very good. View. Say Claire. What is the PP of savoir?
Few.
Few.
Very good. Say Claire. Now that how you can do practice. Say Claire. The course will do a lot of things. Now, very important to understand. Very, very important to understand. Now, how to conjugate. How to conjugate. How to conjugate my past verb activities. How to conjugate my past verb activities. Now, for example, okay, we came to know parler, ER, and the pepe is PARLE, ague. Claire? D'accord? Why? Okay. But how to make past verb? Now, listen to me very, very carefully. Very, very carefully. In order to make past tense, in order to make past tense, Claire, now this is a rule which you have to understand. Very important rule, very, very important rule, and I will explain to you. In order to make past tense, either you have to take the help of a verb, very important, either at verb. Now you will say, what is this? Yes, I will explain to you what is this. In order to make past tense, in order to make past indefinite tense, basically in English, I have to take the help of our verb or either at verb. Now repeat after me and I will explain to you. Repeat it please. In order, repeat it please. In order
In order
to make the past tense,
to make past tense,
either you have to take the help of our verb or
here
either
you
you
have
can take the help of
Make the past tense
after.
at verb. Say Claire, tell me yes or no.
or after.
Is it clear to you? Why? Is it clear to you? Tell
Yes,
me
sir.
yes or no. Clear?
Yeah.
Claire? So, in order to make past tense, I have to use our present tense, our present tense plus pepe of the verb. Now, for example, if I will say I spoke, I spoke. Straight away, you have to understand the formula of past verb. Like our present of is what? J'ai. Our present tense of what? I. With j'ai, tell me yes or no.
Yeah.
With I conjugation, my our is j'ai. Say Claire.
Yeah.
J'ai spoke, parler, et aiguë. Say Claire. This
Yeah.
is my I spoke. Because what I have to do is I have to make our present tense, okay, our present. It means in order to make past tense, I have to use our present by default and pepe of the verb. But as explained to you, we have to use in past. We have two families. We have two families. One is our and one is Esther. Say Claire. Say Claire. Why?
Yes, sir.
We have few verbs which will conjugate with Esther and we have few verbs which will conjugate with avoir. Now, but we have only 14 verbs. Tell me, we have only 14 verbs.
14 verb.
We have only 14 verbs which you have to remember. It means 14 house verbs. The family of Ethel is only 14 verbs. The rest we have our family. Say Claire. Now, par exemple, if you will say I spoke. If you will say I spoke and you will say I went. So I will explain to you in a very detailed way. In a very detailed, I will explain to you. It is just in a very beginner. I just want to give you some idea about the French past verb. So I spoke parler. Parler belongs to our family. Répétez après moi. Parler belongs to our family.
Our family.
Aller is my verb to go. That's why it's went in past. Go went, right? And aller belongs to my être family. Say Claire. Why?
Okay.
If I will say I spoke, répétez après moi. I spoke. What I will say? I can make j'ai
Je parle.
parlé. Aigu. Claire. J'ai parlé.
Parler.
But if I will say I went, I will say je suis because être je is suis. Je suis. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Je suis allé.
Je suis.
Like, sir, our is present verb. So, like, how it become past?
No. I will explain to you again. Listen to me carefully. See, in order to make past tense, right? Right? In order to make past tense, we have to use, that's a rule of the French language. We have to use the past participle of the verb, pepe. Like for example, if we have verb aller, so aller pepe is what? A-L-L-E, ague. Say Claire.
Oui.
But this is not your complete past. No. Because in order to make past tense, either you have to use our présent or either you have to use être présent.
Notre présent.
But we have to understand which verb belongs to our family, and I will explain to you. I will give you verbs also, right? You have to understand which verb belongs to my our family and which verb belongs to my être family. Now, aller is my verb. This is my, that belongs to my être family.
Notre
That belongs to
family.
my être family. Say Claire. So the rule of past tense, that's a rule of the past tense. This is a rule of the past tense. Like we have to make être present tense. We have to, there's a rule of the past tense in French. Être present tense plus past participle of the verb. So I will say I went. So aller belongs to my être family verb, right? Aller belongs to my être family verb. So tell me, what is être? Je with je. Je suis Claire. Je suis
Oui.
Claire. And
Yes.
then we have what? Pepe of the verb. A-L-L-E-Ague.
Aller.
Être présent. Être present tense
Présent.
plus past tense plus pepe of the main verb. Je suis allé. This is my I went. That's a rule. Forget about je suis, I am gone. No, it is not like that. No, this is a rule of French language. If you really want to convert your past tense, so you have to use two verbs. One is être and one is avoir. So, but you have to use their present tense plus pepe of the verb plus past participle of the verb. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? I will
Yes,
explain to you. You will come to know. Don't worry. You will come to know slowly and gradually. Now, for example, we have 14 housework basically, Now I will explain to you, like, what are those verbs? What are those verbs which belongs to être? What are those verbs which belongs to être? Say Claire, I will take you in a different notepad. 1 second, please. 1 second. I'm just opening a different notepad. Okay. Summer and Manpreet, is it clear to you?
Yes,
I will
sir.
explain to you.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Let me take you to a different notepad. Let me share the screen. Okay, now over here. Can you see the screen? That's a diagram.
Yes,
Can you see the diagram?
oui.
Samar, can you see the diagram?
Yes, sir.
This is la maison d'être. La maison d'être. La maison is your house, the house of être, d'être. Because you know these être, because we have a house, घर है हमारा, être का. We have these verbs, all these verbs that belongs to my être family verb. All these verbs belongs to my être family verb. Say Claire. Because we have a differentiate between our and être family. If I want to convert my past tense, I'm saying either I will use our family or either I will use être family. But how I will come to know these verb will conjugate with être family. Now you have to understand être family verb. So répétez après moi, naître. Répétez après moi, naître. Naître. Naître is my verb to born. Naître is my verb to born. So naître is my verb to born. So naître is my être family verb. C'est clair. C'est clair. Now repeat after.
Yes, sir.
It's a very important verb. Naître. Naître. Rester. Rester is my verb to rest. Rester is my verb to rest. Tomber. Pen down, please. Tomber, pen down in notepad. 14 house verbs. 14 family verbs. Say Claire. Claire. Now let's say pen down in a notepad. Naître is my verb to born, which is my, okay, make a heading like this, être. Make a heading in a notepad, okay? Être family. Make a heading like this, être family. Claire? D'accord? Okay?
Oui.
And pen down, please. Naître. Répétez après moi. Naître is to born. Belongs to my être family verb. Rester is to rest. Belongs to my être family verb. Claire, tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Tomber is my verb to fell down. Gir jana, to fell down is my être family verb. Claire. Descendre is to get down. Descendre is to get down. That belongs to my être family verb. Monter is to go up. Monter is to go up. Descendre is to get down. Répétez après moi. Descendre is to get down. That belongs to my être family verb. All of these verbs are my être family verb. Monter is to go up. Now today you will come to know a lot of verb pattern, the vocabularies. And we will conjugate also. That's not a problem. So répétez après moi. Naître. Répétez après moi. Naître. Rester is to rest. Répétez après moi. Tomber is to fall down. Répétez après moi. Tomber is to
fall down.
Descendre. Descendre is to get down. Répétez après moi. Descendre is to get down.
Get down.
C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Monter. Monter is to go up. Répétez après moi. Monter. Monter is to go up. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Why?
Oui.
So the next we have is rentrer. Rentrer is to re-enter. Entrer is to rentrer. Répétez après moi. Entrer, rentrer. Entrer is to enter. Rentrer is to re-enter. Entrer. This is my entrer. E-N-T-R-E-R. Entrer. Répétez après moi. Entrer. En sound is on. En sound is on. Entrer. Entrer is to enter.
Entre.
The moment you will insert R in the beginning, that is rentrer is to re-enter. C'est clair. C'est clair. Why?
Oui.
Now, venir. Répétez après moi. Venir. Have you seen the figures? I'm
Venir.
on this figure. Have you seen that? Why?
Yes, sir.
Venir is my verb to come. Venir. Venir is my verb to come. Say,
Come.
okay. The next we have is partir. Partir is to leave. Partir. Répétez après moi. Partir. Partir is my verb to leave. These all are my, what I would say, être family verb. Sortir. Sortir is to go out. Partir is my verb to leave. Sortir is my verb to go out. Passer. Passer is my verb to pass. You can understand how you can understand, at family verb. You can use the things you are using by your walk, with your legs. Like natural first you born, so you use your legs because you cannot speak, you cannot walk. So you use your legs. Raste, okay, rest. Tombe, with your legs you fell down. Descend, with your legs you do something. Monte is to go up with your leg, you're using your legs. Entre, you're using your legs. Venir, come, you're using your legs. Partir, you are living, you are using your legs. Claire, sortir is to go out, you are using your legs. Say Claire. Passe is to pass, you are using your legs. So you can understand the verb like this. Say Claire, in which your legs is in movement. Say Claire, in which your legs are in movement. So these are my être family verb. Now we have retourner and revenir. Retourner is to turn back and revenir is to again turn back. Okay, revenir, come back. So again, whenever you are coming back, it means you are using your legs, movement of the legs. Say Claire.
Yeah.
Aller is my verb to go. Again, you are using your legs, right? Arrive is to arrive. When you arrive, so it means obviously you are arriving somewhere, you are using your legs. Now, till born, from born till your death, mourir, die. End of the day, you die, and mourir, to death, to die. So from born till die, in which you are using your leg movement, these are my être family verb. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
So répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Naître is to born. Répétez après moi.
Naître is to born.
Claire. Rester is to rest.
Rest is to rest.
Is to rest.
Tomber is to fall down. Répétez après.
Tomber is to fall down.
C'est clair? Venir is to come.
Venir is to come.
C'est clair. Partir is to leave. Répétez après moi.
Partir is to leave.
Sortir is to go out.
Sortir is to go out.
C'est clair. Arriver is to arrive.
Arriver is to arrive.
Retourner. Rentrer. C'est clair. Retourner, rentrer, mourir, sortir. C'est clair. Aller. C'est clair. D'accord? Why? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let me take you to notepad now. Now. Okay. Now my first verb is naître. Répétez après moi. So naître is my verb to born. Répétez après moi. Naître. Over here we have naître. Naître is my verb to born. C'est clair? D'accord? Now we'll do first present conjugation of naître verb. C'est clair? D'accord? Now répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. The present tense of naître verb is je n'ai. Répétez après moi. Je n'ai.
Je n'ai.
Tu n'es. Tu n'es. Il, elle n'est. Okay. Nous naissons.
Nous naissons.
Vous naissez. Il, elle naissent.
Elles naissent.
C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je nais, tu nais, il, elle naît. Nous naissons, vous naissez, il, elle naissent. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Claire? Now, what would be my past of nature? Like I would say, I born, okay, my paida. I born at, that's past also. C'est clair? So my nature, répétez après moi, my nature pepe. My nature pepe is né. My nature pepe is né. Répétez après moi. Nature pepe is né. You have to understand now. Nature pepe is né. Répétez après moi. Nature pepe is né. C'est clair. D'accord? Why? If I will say, I born at. So I have to use être. Je suis né. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So over here, because these are my être family verb. These are my être family verb. C'est clair. D'accord? So je suis né. Tu es né. C'est clair. Il, elle est né. Tu es né. Il, because over here I'm using être, tu es être, il, elle est être, nous sommes être, vous êtes être, ils, elles sont être. It is just I'm applying né, the pepe last में. Né. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Tell me yes and no. Now one thing you have to understand, I will explain to you, which is very, very important. First, you have to understand this and then tell me you understood. Now read this, please. Read it out, please. The past tense of nature verb. Tell me. The past tense.
Just ne.
Because the pepe, the past of nature is ne. Claire. Okay. I will say, I born at. So I will say, je suis né. Tu es né. C'est clair. D'accord. Is it clear to you? So the formula of past tense is what? Now you comprenez? The formula of past tense, être conjugation plus participation of the verb. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
But in case of être verb, repeat after me. I have to do one thing also. Now, for example, Manpreet, you are girl, okay, and you will say je suis né. If you're a girl, for girl, you have to insert E over here, then extra E, because you are a girl. If you're a boy somewhere, you no need to insert E. You have to write in N-E, agu. Take that. In case of girl, in case of past tense, only in case of être verb, not in case of our, only in case of être, you have to insert E. Say clear. Now, for example, I will say L-A ne girl hai, so I will insert E at the end. Say clear. Tell me yes or no.
Oui.
If we have a lot of, if we have plural, like nous sommes nés, plural, I have to insert S at the end. For plural, I have to insert S. Claire, tell me yes or no.
Oui.
And if I will say elles sont nés. So over here we have female plural. So female is E and plural is S.
Yes. Yes.
If I will say ils sont nés, it means this is my male plural. So plural we have S. Say Claire, tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why? So répétez après moi. Natural conjugation in terms of present and past. Repeat it, please.
Je suis né. Tu es né. Elle est née. Nous sommes nés. Vous êtes Ne.
Vous êtes.
Vous êtes né. Vous êtes né. Elles sont nées.
C'est clair. Now, can you conjugate reste verb in terms of present tense? Can you conjugate to yourself reste in terms of present and past?
So it's a ray.
Reste.
Pepe.
देखो क्या करोगे आप? R-E-S-T-E-R. Okay, tell me first the present tense of reste verb. You have ear ending verb.
It's ray.
So what you will do? E-E-S-E. O-N-S, E-Z, E-N-T. This is my rule of year ending verb. Claire, tell me yes or no.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So how you will conjugate present tense? Tell me. Reste verb. How you will conjugate present tense of reste verb? You will say je reste. Claire, tu restes. May I write it down? Tell me, or you can do this. Tell me. Okay, I will explain to you. Very simple. This is my year ending verb. Okay. This is my year ending verb. So what you will do? Je reste, tu restes, present tense, il reste, because we have E, ES, E, resto, reste, rest. Can you do that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So reste, it belongs to my E agu over here. So if you say I rested, past, so what you will say? Active family verb. Je suis resté. Vous comprenez? No? Okay, I will explain to you. इसको read करो आप. Je suis resté, tu es resté, but it's...
Tu es resté, il est resté, nous sommes restés.
Vous êtes resté.
Vous êtes restés.
Elles
sont restés.
Tell me, is it clear to you, Samar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I understand because it is something like a bit tricky in a very initial stage, but very simple. E agu, Claire, d'accord? Why?
Yeah.
And just you have to use at present tense plus pepe of the verb. Let's say e agu. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Now we have one-ear conjugation. So one-ear is also my active family verb to come because you are using your legs. One-ear is my verb to come. Claire?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, have you done one-ear verb yesterday? Je viens. Tu viens. Claire? Have you done? Tell me, Manpreet. And some one-ear verb have you done? Je viens. Tu viens. Il vient. Claire? Nous venons. Venons. Vous venez. Elles viennent. So this is my one-ear verb in terms of present tense. So répétez après moi. Je viens. Tu viens.
Je viens.
Tu viens. Elle vient. Nous venons. Vous venez. Elles viennent. Claire, tell me yes and no. Why?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yeah.
Now, one-ear. Pepe is one U. The pepe of one-ear is one U.
One U.
Yes. The pepe of one-ear is one U and one-ear is my être family verb. So if you will say I came, so what you will say?
Just.
Yes, je suis one U. Claire.
One U.
Claire. Tu es.
Yes, sir.
Tu es one U.
One.
Say Claire. Now you got the concept. You understand the concept?
Yes, sir. A.
venu. Say Claire. Nous sommes venu. Claire. Vous êtes venu. Claire.
Yes, sir.
Ils, elles sont venus. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you are a girl, so you
Then
can
E.
say E. Claire. L-A, venu, we can insert E. We have plural, nous sommes venus, we can insert S. Claire.
S.
Is it clear to you? Elles sont
Yes, sir.
venus, E-S, because we have a
ES.
girl. And L, il, we have S. Say Claire. D'accord?
Oui.
इसको repeat करो, please. Repeat it, please. Repeat करो इसको आप.
Je suis venu. Tu es venu. Il, elle est venu. Nous sommes venus. Vous êtes venus. Ils, elles sont venus.
C'est clair? D'accord? Why?
Oui.
Now we have verb partir. We have a verb partir. So partir is a verb to leave. We have verb partir. Now partir, again you're leaving with your legs. Say Claire. Say Claire. D'accord?
Oui.
So how we'll do that? Partir verb. I can say, let me take it. Répétez après moi. Je pars. Répétez après moi.
Je pars.
Je pars. Claire. Tu pars. Because we have a partir. The present tense of partir is. Répétez après moi. Je pars. Répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. Je pars. Tu pars. Tu
pars.
Il, elle part. Répétez après moi. Il, elle part.
Il, elle part.
Nous partons. Répétez après moi. Nous partons. C'est clair?
Pardon.
D'accord? Vous partez. C'est clair? D'accord? And il, elle part. C'est clair? Donc, répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je pars. Répétez après moi. Je pars. Tu pars.
Je pars.
Partir conjugation in terms of present tense. C'est clair? Now, répétez après moi. Je pars. Répétez après moi. Je pars.
Je pars. Tu pars. Il, elle part. Nous partons.
Vous partez.
Vous partez.
Il, elle
part.
C'est clair? D'accord? Now, what? Répétez après moi. Partir verb. Tell me partir verb. Je pars. Tu pars. Il, elle part. Nous partons. Vous partez. Il, elle part. So, the participe passé of partir verb is parti. The participe passé of partir verb is parti. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
So we can say, je suis parti. Tu es parti. Il, elle est. Il est parti. Elle est partie. Nous sommes partis. Vous êtes partis. Ils sont partis. Elles sont parties. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Because partir, you are using again your movement, your legs. So these are my. So tell me the present tense of partir verb. Tell me. Répétez après moi. Je pars. Répétez après moi.
Je pars.
Tu pars.
Tu pars.
Il, elle part.
Il, elle part. Very good. Très bien.
Nous partons.
Nous partons.
Vous
Vous
partez.
partez. Il, elle part.
Il, elle part.
C'est clair? Tell me yes and no. Why? So, if I will say the past tense of partir, okay, is, I left. Yes, je suis parti. Répétez après moi.
Tu
Tu es
es
parti.
parti.
Il
est
est
parti.
parti.
Nous
Nous
sommes
sommes partis.
partis.
Vous êtes partis. Il
Elles sont parties.
C'est clair. Tell me, Samar and Manpreet, is it clear to you?
Oui.
Why?
Yes.
Now, we have verb sortir. We have verb sortir.
Sortir.
Sortir is my verb to go out. Have you done sortir verb? That's the same because we are using our leg. These are all our être family verb. So répétez après moi. Je sors. Tu sors. Répétez après moi. Je sors. Répétez après moi.
Je sors.
Tu sors. Répétez après moi.
Tu
Elle
sors.
sort. Répétez après moi.
Elles sortent.
Nous sortons. Vous sortez.
Nous sortons.
Vous sortez. Elle sort. So sortir is my verb to go out. Répétez après moi. Je sors. Tu sors. Elle sort. Nous sortons. Vous sortez. Elle sort. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
Yes.
So the past of sortir is sorti. The pepe. Répétez après moi. Pen down please. The pepe of sortir verb is sorti.
Sorti.
So what I will do? Je suis
Je suis sorti.
tu es sorti. Répétez après moi.
Je suis sorti.
Je suis sorti. Tu
Tu es sorti.
Mhm.
Elle
Elle
est sortie.
Mhm.
Nous sommes sortis.
Mhm.
Vous
Vous êtes sortis.
sortis.
Mhm. Mhm.
Ils sont
Elles
sortis.
sont sorties.
Vous comprenez, Samar and Manpreet? You understand the concept?
Yes.
Is it looking like tough or normal or ठीक था, कौन सी कौन सा? It is tricky, right?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
It is a bit tricky, right? So now, for example, we have verb retourner. We have verb retourner because these all are my être family verb, right? Retourner. C'est clair. Why? Have you done?
Oui.
Retourner is my verb
It,
to return, to turn back, right? Retourner. So can you conjugate retourner verb? Tell me. Ear hatana hai and you have to conjugate. And the paper of retourner is what? E ague and you have to use être family verb with retourner, je suis retourner. Can you do that? Tell me yes or no.
yes.
Can you do that?
Je retourne. Yes, sir.
Je suis retourné. Claire.
Yes.
Okay, मुझे करके मुझे अच्छा okay. Make it out in a notepad and send back to me abhi in my WhatsApp. इसको करो and meanwhile I'm going to send you a new link, right? You have to
Yes.
write down tombe verb TOMBER and send back to me in my WhatsApp. These all are ear ending verb. You can do that. You can do this, right? Tombe is my verb to fell down. As the family verb, present and past you have to conjugate. To fell down. Retourne. Claire. Ale. You know ale conjugation in terms of present? Ale conjugation.
Mm-hmm.
What is ale conjugation in terms of present? Tell me, Manpreet and Samar. Ale.
Ye,
Ya. Way.
Yahweh,
Yuva.
Yahweh.
Right? So,
You
and
are.
the passive composite of ale is what? Pepe. E ague and je suis zale, tu es zale. Claire? D'accord? So you have to conjugate tombe verb. You have to conjugate ale verb, present and past. You have to conjugate arrive verb. Year ending verb hai. It's very simple. Arrive verb, retourne verb. Claire? D'accord?
Yes.
Okay. 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 I'm going to send you a different link. Meanwhile, send me all those present and past. The tourne tombe ale arrive in my WhatsApp. Your time starts now. Make it fast. Why? I'm going to send you a different link. So basically, these are my être family verb. This is we called as auxiliary verb also. Être family verb. C'est clair? Okay. So these are French verbs. So basically, Manpreet and Summer, these are my French verbs that take être as their auxiliary verb. It means auxiliary verb is something like these are the verbs which they are the family of the adverb. So what is the family of the adverb? Auxiliary verb is aller, arriver, descendre is to get down, c'est clair, entrer, rentrer, c'est clair, monter,
Yes, sir.
okay, remonter is to climb again, mourir is to die, naître is to born, renaître is to reborn. C'est clair, tell me yes and no.
Oui.
Okay, partir is to leave, repartir, okay, to leave again, passer is to pass, rester is to rest, retourner is to return. It means the things you're doing majorly with your legs. Sortir is to go out, tomber is to fall down, venir is to come, devenir is to become, repte après moi, devenir is to become, devenir,
Submit is to
parvenir
become.
reach, revenir
Parvenir.
to come back.
Revenir.
Venir, devenir, parvenir. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît.
Venir, devenir, parvenir.
Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no. Why?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Clear?
Oui.
Now, par exemple, over here we have verb descendre. Descendre is my verb to get down. C'est clair? Descendre is my verb to
Get
get
down.
get down. Is it clear to you? Répétez après moi. So these are my RE ending verb. Tell me yes and no. Descendre.
Yes.
Descendre is my verb to get down, and descendre is my RE ending verb. C'est clair. Okay, let me write it down for you. May I rub this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
May I rub this? Why?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have verb descendre. What is the formula of RE ending verb? S blank ONSEZENT. That how we can do the practice of these verbs. Claire. So I will say je descends, tu descends, elle descend, Claire. Nous descendons, Claire. Vous descendez, Claire. Tell me yes and no. And
Yes, sir.
elle descendent. C'est clair? Tell me yes and no. Répétez après moi. Je descends, tu descends, elle descend, nous descendons, vous descendez, elle descendent. So the PP of descendre verb is descendu. The PP of the descendre verb is descendu. The past of descendre verb is descendu.
Descendu.
So if I will say I go down, get down is je descends. I go down is je suis descendu. Tell me yes and no. Je suis descendu. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now we have verb parvenir. We have verb parvenir. So parvenir we have verb to reach. Parvenir. Again we have the same conjugation of venir. Par, je parviens, because venir, it just we have to insert parvient, V-I-E-N-S. Je parviens, clair, tu viens, tu parviens, c'est clair, ok. Elle parvient, c'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Nous parvenons, c'est clair. Vous parvenez, c'est clair. And elle parviennent. Is it clear to you? Elle parviennent. Because over here I'm using veneer conjugation, parvenir. So I'm using veneer conjugation. It is just I'm inserting par. So parvenir is a verb to reach. Say Claire, tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I asked you, convert Davneer conjugation. Davneer is my verb to become. Claire, Davneer. These all are my active family verb. So Davneer, happen, to become. Claire, is it clear to you? Davneer, to become. So what you will do? Vanir, vient. Have you done vanir? Je deviens. Claire. Claire, to deviens. It is just you have to use vanir conjugation and you can insert the. Claire. Now vanir paper is what? One you. Vanir paper is what? One you. So parvanir paper is what? Parvan you. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
And Davneer paper is what? Davanu.
Then,
Tell me yes and no. Claire. Now, Summer and Manpreet conjugate Davneer, present and past and send it back to me in your words. Your time starts now. Conjugate Davneer, present verb and Davneer, past verb. So Davneer is my active family verb. Claire, d'accord?
Mm,
And send it back to me.
the-
वो comprende? समझ आ रहा है आपको सारा? Why?
yes, sir.
Yes.
समर देखो
Mhm.
वनीर में नू वनो होता है ना, नू वनो, तो नू दवनो होगा, VENONS। क्लियर? देखो
V.
And S?
देखो ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू, वन सेकेंड। वनो होता है राइट, वनीर में नू क्या है? वनो, राइट?
Mhm.
तो नू दवनो होगा,
No, okay.
दव्यो नहीं होगा, दैट्स रॉन्ग।
Mhm.
नू वो वन,
Okay.
वो वने, देन वो दवने होगा। क्लियर? So
Yes.
Yes,
here
sir.
we have to understand first veneer conjugation. Je viens, Claire, because we have to practice for these veneer conjugations, because these are See, whatever we are doing over here, it is under recording, right? So, because guys, these are the intensive course. And intensive course, you on a daily basis, whatever we are doing, you have to do practice so that there should not be any mistake for your verbs. C'est clair. Correctez après moi.
Yes.
Je viens, tu viens, elle vient,
Mm,
nous venons. C'est clair?
One.
Pas de problème because beginner में that happen. होता ही है. Right? But you will do practice now. Because for Davnir, Parvanir, we have to use this one-ear conjugation. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, elles viennent. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And then we have Davnir. C'est clair. D'accord. C'est clair. Why?
Yes.
We.
Okay. So, je deviens, tu deviens, elle devient, nous devenons, vous devenez, elles deviennent. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Why? Vous comprenez? समझ आया आपको सारा concept?
Yes, sir.
Now these are only, till now we have done 14 ether family verbs, right? Till now we have done 14 ether family verbs. Now rest of the verbs, like for example, we have verb partly, we have verb partly,
One.
we have verb asapte, we have verb adore, any verb apart from these 14-15 verbs. We have done jouer is to play, jouer. All these verbs are my our family verbs. Only these verbs, like which we have written, right? Which I have explained to you. These are my at family verb. Rest are the verbs are my our family verb.
Our.
Now we have parley verb. So you know parley er conjugation in terms of present. What is the past? P-A-R-L-E ague. Say what the pepe, passé composé, say clair. And in that case, you have to use our family. So you will say, j'ai parlé, c'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Tu as
Yes, sir.
parlé,
Yes.
c'est clair. Is it clear to you? Now,
Yes.
then a monsieur. I'm going to give you verbs which you have to conjugate in present past, present past. Is it clear to you? I'm giving you a task now, which you have to accomplish your task. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. So that you
Yes.
can do
Yes, sir.
practice, you will come to know a lot of vocabularies. Why? Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Very simple words. I'm going to give it to you. Okay. So we have basically, it is very important verbs, okay, which we already have wrapped up, but yes, you have to do practice for this. Okay, 1 second, let me save the previous recording. Okay, bear with me. Yeah, 1 second. And this recording help you out? Did you see the recording? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Now let me clear this whiteboard. Now I'm going to give you these verbs. Okay, pen down those verbs, and you have to conjugate all these verbs in present past so that you will come to know the verb conjugation also and the vocabularies. I'm going to send it to you in your WhatsApp. 1 second. You got it in your WhatsApp? Have you received?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm sending you lot of like 10 more verbs. I'm going to send it to you. Okay, from here. A from the Monday. You have to convert, Samar and Manpreet, you have to convert
Mm-hmm.
present, past, because all these verbs are our, because only we have 14 and 15 house verbs wherein, we have a movement in the legs. This is my actual family verb. The rest is my our family verb. Is it clear to you? Claire?
Yes.
Thakur? So what I'm going to do is now, Samar and Manpreet, I'm going to share these three recordings, whatever we have done today. And now your task is, you have to send it back to me with present, past, all these verbs. Your time starts now. Clear? Thakur?
Okay,
Why?
sir.
So that
Yes.
tomorrow we are going to touch a new pattern. So these today pattern has to be clear, because yes, tomorrow we have a new pattern. Say Claire. So tomorrow, if this pattern will get clear, like whatever we have done today, and this pattern will be very much understandable to you, then only we can touch the next pattern. Say Claire. So what now you have to do is, now you have to send me these verbs, present and past. These all are my our family verb, and practice the previous session, whatever we have done now in the recording. I'm going to share today's recording. Say Claire, Dakur, why?
Yes.
Summer, is it clear to you, Manpreet?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So send it back to me. Your time starts now. Okay? Why? Is it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm just waiting. Please send it me. Send it to me. ठीक है, Manpreet and Summer? Why?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है, I'm just waiting. Please send it back to me. All these verbs, present and past. And if you have any doubt, you can send me a text. Is it clear to you in the WhatsApp? I'm here. Why?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.